Sanibonani, Zolani Phantsi. Yeah, I've been receiving ama WhatsApp messages nama email. Abanye abantu bathintekile bethintwa i-video engiyifake ekwi-video yokugcina ngikhuluma about ukuthi kumele ngihambe ngiye olubhacweni. Right now, yeah, I'm away from home. I'm away from abantu engibathandayo. I'm away from ngizothini, my local place, so I'm away from indawo ebengiyazi as ekhaya because of safety and because I want to fulfill icebo laNkulunkulu, and I also want to fulfill the promises that I've made to people who trusted me in 2019. On top of that, William ukuthi at the end of the day ngifeze icebo likaNkulunkulu, so I don't want to die before isikhathi sami sokufa. I will not neglect, I will not deny if I foresee ukuthi impilo yami is in danger. However, I will work very hard ukuthi njengoba bengishilo ukuthi icase iyangena ngoMarch. Ngathi I won't mention a date. Why I don't want to mention a date? It's because there are those people who are working for Satan or for the enemy. They're working very hard ukuthi impilo yami ishone phansi. So if I can disclose a date of a case, what they can do, bangenza sure ukuthi they do izinto ukuthi that case ingabi successful. On the other side, mina, I'm praying and I'm fasting. I would say this thing yokuthi ngibe kwi-exile, on the other side, I took it as a good thing ukuthi ngibe ne-connection with uNkulunkulu, la ngizokwazi khona ukuthi ngizokhala uNkulunkulu, ngibheke ubuhlungu engidlule kubona, ngibheke izenzo zami. If khona la ngenze khona ama-mistake, ngikwazi ukubona okay, lapha yangenze i-mistake, but it's an opportunity for me to connect with uNkulunkulu. As you can see, njengoba ngikhuluma nje, this is a notification, and today I've made a payment of 10,000 kubameli, njengoba ngangishilo ngithi an outstanding balance is 71,000. Ngithe mangicalculator ngibheka ngithi okay, I'm left with 6 or 5 weeks ukuthi kushaye uMarch. Therefore, if I break a target yokuthi ngizoyiraise kanjani le mali, ngathi if I can be able to make a payment ka 10,000 weekly, and I will pray to God ukuthi angipha amandla ukuthi each and every week ngiraise imali more than 10,000, so that I will know ukuthi kuleyo profit I take 10,000 and ngikhokhela abameli. As ngishilo futhi ukuthi akusho ukuthi once I've paid the 71,000 ezobe sekuphelile. No, it's an outstanding balance. Kusazoba khona kube enye i-invoice futhi abazongibhila yona uma sebehamba sebeya ePretoria excuse me, to attend i-case. I don't know ukuthi izoba imalini, but njengamanje what I'm striving, ngisebenza kanzima, ngisebenzela ukuthi ngisettlishe the bill. I know ke ukuthi ke, yeah, I know, and into engaphakathi futhi ngeke ngize ngikhalele leyo. You know, if umuntu othanda ukuthi usiza abantu noba othanda ukunikela kakhulu, you suffer sometimes. Abanye abantu they take advantage, some abanye abantu they will manipulate i-kindness yakho. Yabona njengamanje what everything engidlula kuyona angidluli kuyona ngoba ibhekene nami ezozolani kuphela, but ibhekane nombono enginawo, nombono ukuthi ngifuna ukusiza abantu. Because if azange ngiqale kwaqala in 2019 ukuthi ngithi ngizosiza abantu with imali, ngabe azange yenzeke lonto leyo, ngabe ngaresigna kwa-SAPS ngazihlalela nje ngazitradela, because i-trading ayidinga ukuthi kube khona imali zabantu ezingenayo ukuze ukwazi ukutrade. With your own money, with your 1,000 rand, you can raise your account from 1,000 rand to 10,000 to 20,000 to 50 to 100,000 to 1 million. As long uma une-strategy ukwazi ukwenza imali, so you can be able to do leyo nto leyo. So mina to do leyo nto ebekade ngiyenza 2019 ngangingathi ngifuna ukukhuphuka ngabantu, no, but I was giving back to the community. So ngithi mangikuveze lokho ukuthi okay, this is a payment of 10,000 engiyenze namhlanje ekuseni. I will work very hard ukuthi weekly ngikhiphe le mali lena, and then surely uNkulunkulu uzowenza umusa ukuthi kufike idate yecase ngibe sengisetlishile, and njengoba ngenza lama payment abameli bazokwazi ukuthi baqhubeke benze nomsebenzi because bazoyibona imali ukuthi iyaflowa ngale ndlela abafuna ngayo. Okunye nokunye ngikubeke uNkulunkulu, ngeke ngize ngikhuluma izinto eningi. If I have to pay so much funds, to pay so much money ukuze kulunge izinto, therefore I will do for it. The only thing that I will do mina is to ask uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngicela ungipha amandla to be able ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyenza le mali. You know, sometimes when we pray to God, do not pray to God ukuthi akunikeze izinto, but pray to God ukuthi akunikeze amandla to reach certain standards. If we are in a lower level, ask God to give you power and ability ukuthi ukhuphukele phezulu ukwazi ukureacha indawo ephezulu, because sometimes kukhona izinto othola ukuthi zelapha phezulu ezingeke zizehlisa. uNkulunkulu azibeke zona athi hamba uzithathe. Therefore okwakho wena ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngicela ukuthi ungiphakamise, ngisimamise Nkosi, ngikwazi ukuthi ngireache leya level leya. So this is my prayer right now as I'm busy preparing ama-funds, preparing and praying for i-date ye-case ezobe ingoMarch, ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngicela ukuthi intervene, ngicela ukuthi kube khona i-breakthrough. It's been 3 years umuntu emile gidagida endaweni yodwa. Therefore I'm praying for abantu abazobe bejaja le matter. I know they already came up to a decision. That's why besethe i-date, because bayicubulungile bafunda zonke i-statement from i-state and from my side as a defense. So I know ukuthi since bebeke ne-date sebeyayazi bona i-decision abazoyikhipha ukuthi yiphi. Therefore I am praying ukuthi uNkulunkulu nobe ngabe sebeyibekile i-date sebene-decision abenayo, I'm asking ukuthi uNkulunkulu namandla wonke should bengazange bajaje ngendlela right, uNkulunkulu makangabalalisi lawo majaji, makabenze ukuthi babe nemibono, bayibone le matter, and then uNkulunkulu abakhombise okuyikona kona kuvele ngempela iqiniso, and i-judgment abazoyikhipha bakhiphe i-judgment efair, kungabi i-judgment othola ukuthi izovuna i-state noba ivuna abantu abathize, and then egcina kosuku uthola ukuthi mina I suffer, i-suffering yami ngisafare kodwa ngingazange ngenze njani, ngikhomithe i-crime. So right now I'm busy praying and I'm asking God ukuthi enza njani anginikeze amandla to raise ama-funds. If kungekho abantu abathi no asizokusupport aqhubeke wedwa, it's fine, I will do that. Ngizoqhubeka because nasekuqaleni ngangiqale ngedwa, abantu bajoyina ngendlela bebona into enhle. If kuyijoko ekumele ngilithwale ngivumile and ngishilo ngathi uNkulunkulu ngiyavuma, ngiyalithatha leli joko ngizolithwala until the end. So this is a proof of payment. If mina ngibhalile lapha kwi-description yami ukuthi mangabe khona abantu abafuna ukwenza i-contribution, hayi ngoba mhlambe kuthiwa ngifuna imali zabantu, ngikhulunywe kabi kuma-social media kwindawo ngendawo kuthiwa ngidle imali zabantu. Angakaze ngizidle imali zabantu from the beginning, angakaze, and anginayo leyo nhliziyo yokudla imali zabantu. If ngisiza abantu ngibasiza abantu ngenhliziyo emhlophe, and ebekade ngikwenza 2019 nokade ngiyifisa ukuthi ngizokwenza impilo yami yonke, bekuwukuthi mina I want to give back to the society, but akwenzekanga lokho because of umthetho. So kuthiwa no one is above the law. Even if ke mina I do have amandla ukuthi ngenze i-profit noba ngenze izinto beyond nature, izinto supernatural, but I will be limited by umthetho. So ngithi mangiveze nje lento lena ukuthi ngisukile ngihlukene, not ukuhlukana lokho kubi, but I had to ukuthi ngibe away from bantu basekhaya, ngibe away from umuntu engimthandayo nongisupportayo nongisekelayo ngibe away from abantwana bami ke for isikhathi eside ke vele away from abantwana bami, but ke njengamanje for the safety ngidecide ukuthi njengoba ngangishilo ukuthi into ebalekile ukuthi ngibe away. So into eyenzakalayo ke if unombono kwesinye isikhathi kubiza ukuthi wenze njani, ube umuntu obhacayo for ukuthi umbono necebo likaNkulunkulu ligcine selifezekile. Akuyona into emnandi, akuyona into enhle yokuthi ubhace. Kuba buhlungu ngalesikhathi usenzeka zonke lezo zinto lezo, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku uma selifezeka icebo likaNkulunkulu uthi ukhala inyembezi zentokozo, ngoba uthi ubheka la odlule khona uthi uNkulunkulu wangidlulisa endaweni engaka kanti ufuna ukungibeka la. So mina there are prophecies eziprofethiwe phezu kwempilo yami, kodwa angihleli phezu kweprofethiwe kodwa ngihleli ekuthenini ngiyamazi uNkulunkulu, ngiyazi ukuthi ungisuse kuphi, and i-vision uNkulunkulu ayibekile kumina inkulu kakhulu. I-vision uNkulunkulu anginikezele yona inkulu kakhulu ukuthi ngaphathwa eSouth Africa. I-vision enginayo i-vision ya-international, i-vision ekhava icontinent yase-Africa, i-vision ekhava umhlaba wonke jikelele. So ngamanye amazwi mina I'm like ufish othola ukuthi usomkhulu ongeke usakwazi ukuthi uhlale kwi-fish tank le yasendlini, sekumele ukuthi ngibe kuphi, ngibe solwandle, because if kuthiwa ngihlala kwi-fish tank le yasendlini indawo engikuyona ebancane kakhulu. I take this as one of the signs uNkulunkulu athi no Zolani, ya uhlalile la uhlele khona kwenzekile, kodwa manje umhlaba uyakufuna ngaphandle. So njengamanje it's another step whereby uNkulunkulu uzongithatha uzongisa kwenye indawo. Igama lami likhulunyiwe kabi kwi-media ngapublishwa, mawungena ku-Google nje uthi Zolani Phantsi, you will see ukuthi kukhona government gazette, kukhona ama-warning akhishwa o-FSA nezinto eziningi zikhulunywa ngami. So konke lokho ke kodwa uNkulunkulu uzokwenza i-turnaround, uzokwenza uguquko. uNkulunkulu kuzobonakala ekugcineni kosuku ukuthi uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo unguNkulunkulu wama-impossibilities, unguNkulunkulu we-restoration, unguNkulunkulu we-turnaround. There will be a turnaround eSouth Africa, there will be a turnaround eAfrica, there will be a turnaround emhlabeni, because I'm not here by myself, but ngila noNkulunkulu. Whatever thing that I have started in 2019, I didn't do anything with intention to commit any crime, but whatever thing that I did, ama-conducts were clear, ama-conducts engangiwenza ngangima ebantwini ngibatshela abantu i-vision enginayo, not with intention to scam or to rob people, but anything engangikade ngiyenza, and nenhliziyo yami i-clean emhlophe ukuthi everything engangiyenza ngenhliziyo emhlophe. I was giving back to the society. Iloko ngaphakathi enhliziyweni yami. I am a giver by birth, I am a giver, not ukuthi mhlambe ngithi ngiyinto engiyithole ngoba sengilapha phezulu. No, nginaleyo nginenhliziyo, ngiyathinteka kakhulu, and ngumuntu othandayo ukusiza abantu. That is why even now ngithe no, the only thing that I will do, I will no longer do investments, but what I will do, I will invest empilweni zabantu by assisting them ukuthi babe nama-account abo e-trading. I will assist people ukuthi ngibasize with motivations, with other ideas abangazenza, so that they will be financial free. So impilo engaphakathi kumina angikwazi ukuthula ngalento, angikwazi, because mangabe ngithi ngifuna ukuthi ngidayise ofish ngibe selfish, definitely angeke ngize ngibe nabo ubuthongo ingaphakathi kumina lento lena. So yokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi I must give back to the society. So into engiyiphilayo angikwazi ukuyishintsha, even if sekuthiwa umuntu wenze noba yini, kodwa if umuntu kuthiwa ngiyabona ukuthi uxakekile, nginalo usizo, angikwazi ukuthi ngivene ngithi ngizofasa inhliziyo yami, akukho ngaphakathi kumina. Noba sekwenzeke izinto ezimbi ezibuhlungu, the only thing engithe ngizoyenza ukuthi I will not do anything against umthetho. I will always comply with umthetho. I will always submit kumthetho wase-South Africa. If ngihlala eSouth Africa, umthetho wanoma eliphi ilizwe engihlala kulona. But into engifundile kakhulu ukuthi umthetho ubekwa abantu with intentions ukuthi kubenefit abantu abathize, mbeni ucindezela abantu abathize. Because if you can check lo mthetho ukuthi akumele unikeze abantu interest above 20%, what does it mean? You mean mina if I can be able to go 1,000 rand ngenza 10,000 ngemali yomuntu ngimnikeze 20% ka 1,000 rand, that is 200 rand. Mina ngenza 10,000 ngemali yomuntu kodwa ngimnikeze 200 rand. It's unfair. by doing that. Kodwa ke ayikho into esizoyenza. So okusho ukuthi umthetho really uyadinga ukuthi u-challenge when it comes to other things ezifana nama-finances, because abantu they don't know. Abantu bathatha imali zabo bazisa emabhenki. Ngohlezi ngisho le nto le, bathatha imali abantu bazisa emabhenki, amabhenki ayathatha imali and ayaheja kwi-trading. Mabeheja e-trading, they making a lot of money. In one day they making ama-millions. Wena imali yakho ngenyanga ikhula u-2% or even mhlawumbe abanye less than 2%. Bathathe imali yakho benza babolekisa ngazo. Uma bebolekisa ngazo, they making a lot of money. Kufika abantu bafuna ukuthenga imoto bayoboleka imali emabhenki, kodwa enayo futhi i-account. Kuthathwe yona the same mali ayibekile ereziwe, azoboleka imali yakho edwe esinye isikweletu abe nani abe ne-loan, which means abantu bayacindezelwa, bayabhayindwa ngalo mthetho wamabhenki ukuthi hayi wena uzoba isicaka sethu forever. As long usasebenza nje uzosebenzela thina, we will be making imali, will be making ama-millions. So kuliwa nombono uzolana nawo ukuthi nangubo umuntu efuna ukuzovula abantu amehlo, nangumuntu bo efuna ukuzosixhakazisa, ufuna ukuthi labantu manje babe financial free, because ngawo 2019 ngangithola ubufakazi from abantu base-Capitec besho bathe ubasizile abantu abaningi bakwazile ukusettlisha ama-loan, because into engangiyifuna leyo mina ukuthi ingabikho umuntu ozogijimela emabhenki ayofuna i-loan, kepha each and every person akwazi ukuthi uba nemali each and every day. Kungabikho ngane kuzothiwa zikwazi ukuqhubeka with their studies because of ama-finances engekho. Kungabikho abantu abazolala bedle uphuthu kuphela ngoba bethi abanamali, kepha abantu babe nenkinga yokuthi soyisebenzisa kanjani imali, bangabe nayo inkinga ukuthi soyithathaphi imali. So that was the vision engangenayo. Kodwa-ke ngenxa yokuthi-ke siphila emhlabeni eko-operator imimoya eminingi, ekuyimimoya eminingi esebenzisa even ama-authorities ukuthi basivimbe, so yikona kokwenza ukuthi ngigcine sengivaliwe. Khona manje if ngingabuza ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi kule minyaka emingaka ibe amafoni amasabhakiwe, amafoni kuthiwa ngiyafonelwa mina balalela each and every conversation engiyenzayo. So I decided ukuthi even nabantu bangakwazi ukuxhumana nami, because ayikho into engifihlile, kodwa I don't know ukuthi yini le ephenywayo isikhathi esingaka. I don't know ukuthi yini le ngaka abayifunayo abangaze bayithole. So on other side, into engiphinde ngayinotice ukuthi even if bakuthiwa khona abayiphenyayo, maybe even ne-location yami, by doing ama-phone calls they can see i-location, kube khona mhlawumbe izinto ezimbi noba ezibuhlungu ezenzeka phezu kwempilo yami, ngoba mangiyibheka lento akuseyona into ene-investigation kuphela, but into esengingayazi, maybe they want to terminate my life. So I decided ukuthi no, into engizoyenza now, I will just communicate or connect with abantu abafuna ukuthola ama-update via YouTube, or else those people who've got my WhatsApp number, they will WhatsApp me kwinumber yebusiness. Abanye basenda ama-email. Other than that, ama-phone calls, I will not take any phone calls, because I don't know what is happening behind the scene. Those people who are bugging amafoni, I don't know intention yabo yini, because if bengiyazi intention yabo, at least babizongikhombisa bathi okay, nansi case evuliwe, as i-case ivuliwe, we went to NPA sa-apply li-bug ukuthi sikubhage because wena we've got a serious case against you. But njengamanje case yathathwa u-FSCA saku-NPA kwathiwa ese-PS uyaphenya. So I don't know ukuthi into ekhoza ukuthi amafoni ami namanje abhagwe, noba kuthiwa ngithenga ifoni entsha uthola ukuthi nawo mange ngayirikha ngaphansi kwegama lami nayo futhi ibhagiwe. So those are the things engidlule kuzona, obunzima engidlule kubona eSouth Africa. Ngingenzeli mina, kepha ngithi ngenzela umuntu omnyama. Kodwa-ke uNkulunkulu emuhle, icebo lakhe ngeke lize livinje umuntu. Icebo likaNkulunkulu ngeke lize livinje umuntu. Iy'nsuku zomuntu zibalwe uNkulunkulu. Uyazazi uNkulunkulu iy'nsuku engizoziphila emhlabeni, uyayazi futhi indlela engisazoyihamba, uyazi futhi nosuku engiyohamba ngale emhlabeni ukuthi kuyoba liphi. Ama-plans anawo ngempilo yami iwona engizowalwela. I will never rest up until kuze kufike isikhathi uNkulunkulu azathi now you have reached your divine destiny. So I will work very hard. Ngithi mangikhuthaze nje labo bantu labo abahleli emthandazweni nabangifiselayo ukuthi kube khona impumelelo, kube khona i-breakthrough wona wonke ama-challenges, ngithi keep on praying for me, keep on doing that work wokuthi ube connected spiritually with me kule ndlela engihambayo. It may happen ukuthi you do not contact me via a WhatsApp or email noma oluphi uhlobo, but spiritually you are connected with me. Ngithi uNkulunkulu makakubusise, uqhubeke ungayeki, uqhubeke njalo nje nokwenza lo msebenzi. Ngiyabonga. To those people abathi no, uNkulunkulu uyangithinta, mina ngiyafisa nje ukuthi kube khona something engiyithintayo. Kukhona kuma video ikhona ilento inamba yabameli ye-office, office number, akhona nama bank details, and nakule video futhi I will also put inamba yabo, ngifake futhi nama contact details, so that if abantu kuthi abafuna ukubuza ukuthi hayibo imalini outstanding ekhona ekhesini yakwaHumble bakwazi ukuthi bathole ukuthi imalini. Should befona abantu bethola ukuthi ayisikho yonke imali, ba free futhi bakwenza lokho. So ngizofaka nje inamba yabameli la kwi-description, abantu bakwazi ukuxhumana nabameli bathole yonke into ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ngecase up until kuze kufikelele ekutheni icase iyaphela. Ngiyabonga.